Today we're going to review the Dell D3100 USB 3.0 docking station for Ultrabooks. Ultra HD 4K USB 3.0. Standard box. On the back it shows the inputs and outputs of the device, universal dock for home and office supports, HD displays, triple video output. Interesting. Like that. Two more stickers right there. That's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. So here's the dock itself. Very cool. It's the AC plug. Comes with the power brick and the USB attachment cable, as well as an HDMI to DVI video cable adapter, video adapter. And additional documentation. Feels like there's a CD in there. Probably want to install the software for the drivers on the PC it's being used against. This is my favorite part. Oh yeah. Will it slide out? Well, it'll slide right out. Look at that. Alright, so the 4K plug and display link has on the front, looks like that's going to be an indication status LED, 3 USB 2.0 ports. You've got the SS logo on them, so they might be, oh, this one's a quick charge. Might all three be super speed. Anyway, headphone, audio, and microphone jack. Looks like a vent on the side there. Got a microphone jack, 2 more USB ports, Ethernet port, 2 HDMI and a display port, and a USB B type, and then the power adapter plug, Kensington lock it looks like. Yep, another heat vent. Very nifty. I like that it's flat black, so it's not going to attract a lot of fingerprints. The bottom of this is actually a rubber, opposed to the sticker, the label, the serial number in Japanese writing and whatnot, but I like that a lot, because it feels real sturdy. It's not going to move around, so you could sit it in the corner of your desk and have your laptop over here with it just plugged in and all your peripherals plugged into this with all your displays and everything else up here, and not worry about it sliding across the table. Not bad. We'll see how well it actually works. I'm actually testing this one out, so expect a review on this one pretty soon. Again, this is the Dell D3100. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, thanks for watching.